Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to share Instagram threads profile link. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you're gonna need to open up your threads application on your Android and iOS, and then you have to go into your threads profile. So here you can see that we are now in our threads profile here. So if you want to share your threads profile with someone else, you can just tap on this option where it says share profile, and then basically you can copy your threads profile link, or you can directly share it through WhatsApp, Instagram, or any other application. So I will just basically open up my WhatsApp here, and let's suppose if I wanted to share this with myself here, I will just open up myself, tap on this, and then here you can see that I have shared my threads profile link. So when someone will click on this link will take them to my profile and they can follow me from there. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.